Hi folks, just want to explain how the shower works here in our ensuite bathroom. So when you step in, looks like a normal shower, but the difference is when we switch it on, the water goes to this little handheld first before it goes to the overhead rainfall shower. So what you do is you come to this knob here with your temperature settings on the side, up for hot, down for cold. There's two pressure points. There's the first one here and then the second one. You'll notice the water goes straight to this first. I'll just put it on the lower setting so I don't drown myself. The next thing you do is you switch it on first, and then you have to pull down this little thing here. See the little thimble? You just pull it down gently. This doesn't move, but it's this cog here. You pull that down gently like that, and then the water comes out of the top. And the temperature gauge at the side, up for hot, down for cool, and then simply switch off again. But the main point